on real quick. There's a reason why everyone is Googling benefits of ginger right now. Ginger is basically the diva of roots. It's tiny, it's spicy, it's a little chaotic, but the way it shows up for you, iconic. And if your stomach has been acting brand new, your energy is like meh, or inflammation is trying to ruin your week, ginger's like, okay, I got it from here. We should be using this more often. So if you're on your wellness journey and you're looking for easy things you can add to routine that actually make a difference, ginger deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. Because we're busy, we're tired, we're bloated, and we don't have time for ingredients that don't pull their weight. This is why today we're breaking down all the benefits of ginger, and I'm going to show you my homemade ginger ale recipe. Yes, your own healthy ginger ale recipe that you can sip without the crash. Let's get into it. What's up, y'all? I'm Lisha, certified nutrition coach and your wellness bestie. I make clean eating simple, realistic, and fun. So if that is your vibe, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's ingredient. Okay, ginger has been around forever, like before oat milk, before Pilates, before we were all obsessing over cortisol and circadian rhythms. Ginger comes from the rhizome of the ginger plant and is packed with compounds like gingerol, which is basically the superhero behind all its benefits. Benefit number 1, ginger helps soothe nausea and upset stomach. This one is classic ginger. If you deal with motion sickness, morning nausea, or if your stomach just likes to act up sometimes, ginger can help calm that down. Benefit number 2, ginger supports digestion. Ginger helps your stomach empty more efficiently, which means less bloating, less discomfort, and less "why do I look 6 months pregnant after eating a sandwich?" We've all been there. Benefit number 3, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory. If you deal with joint pain, period cramps, inflammation-related discomfort, ginger can genuinely help take the edge off. Benefit number 4, it's great for immunity. Because ginger is loaded with antioxidants, it helps support your immune system, which is perfect for cold and flu season. And benefit number 5, it can support your metabolism and energy. Ginger helps increase circulation and may give your metabolism a little nudge. Nothing crazy, but you'll feel that warm, energizing boost. You can grate it into teas, smoothies, or soups, add a little bit into your morning lemon water, or just chew on a thin slice if you're feeling bold. But my favorite way is making my own ginger ale, and don't worry, I'm about to show you how I do it. All right, let's get into this homemade ginger ale. It's refreshing, it's natural, and it tastes like something you'd buy at Whole Foods, but it's made right at home. And if you like it a little extra spicy, add a bit more ginger to it. I know my girlies like that extra kick. All right, this is how you make it.